Now, let us see what is Stefan Boltzmann law. So, Stefan as well as Boltzmann both arrived on this law by different techniques. Boltzmann used statistical thermodynamics, statistical ways to get this result. Stefan used second law of thermodynamics to arrive at this result. Presently, we will see how Planck's radiation formula gives. So, the Planck's formula, radiation formula, is for the emissive power of a black body at a particular wavelength. So, you see what is the energy within this lambda, lambda plus d lambda, suppose this is lambda and this is d lambda, will be area under this curve, area under this curve. So, the according to Planck's black body radiation formula, black body radiation formula, the total emissive power of a black body is given by E will be equal to E b lambda d lambda from 0 to infinity. So, this E will be equal to 0 to infinity, this is 0, E b lambda, that is equal to 2 pi C1, the constants we are, let it be as it is, lambda to the power 5 exponential e to the power C2 by lambda t minus 1, that is d lambda. When we calculate this, implies the calculation tells that this is some constant, some sigma into t to the power 4. This is called Stefan's constant, Stefan's constant. So, presently we will just say that it is E is equal to sigma t to the power 4. So, this is the result which will come if I integrate this expression which is derived from the Planck's radiation formula. The result, this result was obtained by Stefan with the help of second law of thermodynamics, and the same result by Maxwell by statistical mechanics. Now, according to Stefan Boltzmann law, the amount of radiation emitted per unit area per unit time by a black body is proportional to the fourth power of its absolute temperature. So, we describe this as U for a black body is the amount of energy radiated per unit area, that is proportional to the proportionality constant is sigma t to the power 4, where sigma is called Stefan's constant. The value of sigma is 5.67 into 10 to the power minus 8. This is watt per area. So, watt per meter square Kelvin to the power 4. This is the value of sigma, that is Stefan constant, 5.67 into 10 to the power minus 8. Now, if the surface area of the body, black body is A, then the total energy radiated becomes U of a black body is sigma A T to the power 4. If the body is real, then U real will be equal to epsilon sigma A T to the power 4, where epsilon is the emissivity, total emissivity, not monochromatic emissivity. So, total emissivity. So, this is what Stefan Boltzmann law is.